Turweston, possibly the best airfield for a sandwich and a cup of coffee in the UK. Welcome back to another private pilot vlog. My name is Adam, and in this video we take off from Turweston, turn towards Silverstone, the home of Formula 1, and then head home towards Oxford. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do and leave me a comment. It's a short video, but please sit back, grab a drink and enjoy the flight.
Turweston Radio, Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra.
Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra, Turweston, readability 5, taxi to Bravo, runway 09, a left-hand circuit, the QNH 1014.
1014, taxi to Bravo for 09 left, Golf Alpha Sierra.
And Alpha Sierra, nothing known to affect lining up on the hard.
Lining up on the hard, Golf Alpha Sierra.
Turweston, good afternoon.
Glider 418.
So Glider 18.
Glider 418 just in the area, request activity status of
Glider 418, to my knowledge they're not dropping, but I have seen them tugging.
Thank you, QSY back to gliding free, thanks for the info.
Roger, and they're on, should be on 11945.
Thank you.
Alpha Sierra, nothing known to affect your departure, surface wind is 140 degrees, 5 knots.
Golf Alpha Sierra.
Okay, ready? Okay, here we go. Okay, airspeed's alive. That looks good. And orientate. Okay, on stage, flap out. That was a smoother takeoff, wasn't it?
Some lovely properties tucked away.
What's that, sorry Bob?
There are some lovely properties tucked away.
Oh god, yeah, absolutely. Okay, 1,000 feet, fuel pump come off.
That must be Princess Diana's family home.
Oh. It may be, yeah. I think that might be closer to Northampton though, rather than here.
Let's have a look and see what that is.
Yeah.
What is affectionately known as a fuck-off house?
Really?
Turweston, Golf Juliet Tango, I'd like to wish you a good day and QSY en route, over.
Well done, thank you for visiting us.
Yeah, nice airfield, talk to you again, bye, Juliet Tango. Golf Echo X-ray, descending dead fine.
It's a good picture down there.
Turweston Radio, good afternoon, Golf Bravo India Charlie Whiskey is 9 miles to the south. For joining information please.
Bravo Indy Charlie Whiskey 09 left-hand circuit QFE 1000.
01 left, QFE 1000, Golf Charlie Whiskey.
Golf Alpha Sierra overhead Silverstone and changing to London 124600.
Okay.
Thanks for your service, sir. London information, Golf Mike Kilo Alpha Sierra.
Golf Mike Kilo Alpha Sierra, London information, good afternoon, pass the message.
Good afternoon, PA28 south of Turwestern back to Oxford, currently 1,900 fleet, climb to 2,500 feet on wind 014, request basic service.
Golf Mike Kilo Alpha Sierra, Roger, squawk 1177 with no Charlie, basic service.
1177, Golf Alpha Sierra, basic service.
Thank you for watching this video. If you've got this far, please hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and there'll be another video coming very soon.